Our fourth issue that the US government had with Utah, the fourth problem, is about economics. So economics is a word that we use to talk about like the money and jobs of a place. So right now, during this whole COVID-19 pandemic, our economy is doing poorly because there's a lot of jobs that have to shut down. And so people can't get that money and people aren't going out to spend money. And so that's affecting our national economy. You could also, so when we did the railroad unit, bringing the railroad was supposed to help the economy because it brought jobs, it brought in money. Things like it helped have more dairy. It helped our milk business, and it helped our like the sugar beet business. So that's what economics is. And if you remember, the Mormons basically had this deal that we're only going to buy from each other, and we're going to create these towns, like this will be our sugar beet town, and this will be our cotton town, and this will be that town, and we'll just trade with each other so that we don't have to worry about outside threat and outside people um, persecuting us again. But this means they're setting up their own like company. So ZCMI was like a really famous Mormon department store, and the US government goes, well, how is this going to impact our national economy then? If the Mormons are going to lock off Utah from the rest of the country and we can't have access to the things in Utah as much unless they like let us, is this really something that we want to do? And this does become a trade when the railroad comes in. Is the Mormons kind of open up a little bit more and say like, yeah, we do want to trade with the rest of the country. But that didn't happen till like the 1860s and 1870s that it was coming, that it was even on its way. And so yeah, it's going to be later that they're going to show like, no, we can be a little bit flexible. So for a while, economics is going to be this issue of like, are they gonna just lock off their money from everybody? If so, why would we want them to be a state in our country?